Hello and welcome to my Foodie Foods. Today we are going to be cooking a delicious beef roast. Weighs approximately 4 to 5 pounds. I have 4 cups of water added inside the Foodi. I'm going to pressure cook it total 1 hour. However, on this first round, I'm going to pressure cook for 30 minutes with a natural release of probably 10 to 15 until all the air is out. I will then add my chopped vegetables, carrots, onions, celery, and potatoes. And then I will add 30 more minutes of pressure cooking. The reason I don't do all of that at the original time is because, well, basically the vegetables will be mush. And I probably won't even do 30. I might first cook 45 minutes on just the roast and then 15 minutes on the vegetables. I just kind of wing it. I like a crunch and the vegetables to be fork tender. I don't like mushy vegetables, if that make any sense. However, the seasoning for this is the best seasoning pot roast. You don't even have to have a Foodi. So for those that just want to cook it in the oven, want to put it in the crock pot before they go to work, I'm giving you my secret recipe. 1 pack of anyone's brown gravy, 1 pack of anyone's ranch dressing dip, and 1 pack of Italian salad dressing. Again, add your water. I'm going to add some Worcester sauce. And I'm going to start probably 35 minutes. Again, I'm winging it. First time doing it in the Foodi. But it needs to cook a total of 1 hour. And you want it to natural release because it is a meat. Your meats are better if they do a natural release and not a quick release. So I'm getting ready to add my seasonings and get started. Okay, all is added. I'm going to add the Foodi pressure cook lid, and again 35 minutes natural release. While that's doing that, I'll be chopping my vegetables. Done with the original time frame on the roast cooking. I did let it go a little longer than what I had wanted. As you can see, it's been warm for a minute. Gonna go ahead and let that air release real quick. I have my vegetables chopped up. These are getting ready to be added to the Foodi. And that's where I'm at. So I will, once this finishes, I will open it up. Okay, as you can see, it's a nice color to that roast. It actually is already, well, off the bone. Ooh, that was hot, that side. Sorry about that. So that bone I'm going to take out before I add my vegetables. Just truly came off the bone. Haven't done anything yet. And it's actually going to be even more tender than this. So I'm going to add my vegetables and pressure cook an additional 30 minutes. And then we will be ready here. Okay. So we have all the vegetables added. Potatoes, celery, onions, carrots. I just placed it on top. We'll place some of those that are sticking up in the juice a little bit more. Now we'll put the pressure top back on for an additional 30 minutes. Okay, so we have some good, look at that. Oh my gosh, as you can see, I don't know if you can even tell, that's the meat coming to the top of that roast. Is that not delicious? We ready to eat. Cornbread is ready. Beautiful, beautiful 3-package pot roast. I strongly suggest that you try it. You will be in love. That's all I have to say. Brown gravy, Italian, and ranch. Delicious.